Hello everyone, this is Sharanya Shanmugaraja from Enfant Center for Child Development, a one-stop solution for child development issues. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பேச போகிற ஒரு fine topic which every parent should be aware அப்படின்ற டாபிக் என்னன்னா red flags, the new red flag of child development. When I say new red flag of child development, it is nothing but a screen time exposure which is causing a major damage in children between 2 to 5 years. When I particularly mention 2 to 5 years is because that is when the child starts interacting with parents and they start getting exposed to social environment in learning and playing. Learning and playing is the elixir of any child development that is happening these days for 2 to 5 year of age. So when I say 2 to 5 year of age is very critical period, it is accustomed and it is approved by studies, and today we are going to discuss about a study published by American Academy of Pediatrics. American Academy of Pediatrics la enna solranga, when a child is exposed to screen time for more than 5 to 6 hours a day, the child will have definitely a marked impact in brain, which is solidly proved by an MRI scan. So 5 வயசு வரைக்கும் உள்ள குழந்தைகள் 5 years 6 hours mobile use பண்றாங்கன்னா please avoid that. That will not only create an impact in the brain structure but also the functions. Functionally அந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு என்ன impact வரலாம் அப்படின்னா சுயமாக குழந்தை திங்க் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. தட் இஸ் செல்ஃப் திங்கிங் ஆர் செல்ஃப் இவாலுவேஷன் அண்ட் செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் வில் பி அட் ஸ்டேக். குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஃப்ளோர் பிளே அண்ட் சோஷியல் பிளே மூலமாக கிடைக்கிற இம்பேக்ட் கண்டிப்பாக கிடைக்காம போயிடும். அண்ட் த செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் தட் தே வில் ஹாவ் டிலே இன் மோட்டர் மைல்ஸ்டோன்ஸ், ஸ்பீச் மைல்ஸ்டோன்ஸ் and environmental stimulation factors, which is again affecting the fine motor and gross motor of childhood. So overall ஒரு குழந்தையோட impact in terms of development, physical development நின்னுடும், mental developmental issues இருக்கும், language developmental issues இருக்கும். So nowadays every child is taking their classes only by on screen. So it is digitally advised and approved by American Academy of Pediatrics that every child who is exposed to gadgets can be exposed to a gadget for 1 hour a day between 3 years to 6 years. 1 hour of screen time with a qualified high quality screen with intermittent breaks, play breaks. And when we say about learning, school they are suggesting online classes. So I would suggest a tip that parent can attend online classes, and from that the parent can train the child or teach the child to do with worksheets or other mode of learning. This can ease and facilitate every mother who's facing this challenge of child using or exposing to more screen time. So when there is an issue between 2 to 5 years, it will be a permanent damage which cannot be repaired at later stages. So kindly restrain children from using mobile phones, gadgets. This is not just it will not just only impact on their eyesight, but it's also impacting on the other factors which I have already mentioned. Kindly note this and do not expose children to gadgets. This is the main red alert of early development, which is denoted by the American Academy of Pediatrics. Thank you.